Ka East-West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka jingalang kinong yalam bat ki MLA ki bade na ki seng san hima ki betre lang ha ka sarkar MDA-II ha ka no aphay sngi laitre gujileo arda arpun reo kala shimi ka rai ban kirshan yu James PK sangma kum Kyrtong na ka banta ka election MP Rajya Sabha ka ban long ha ka khat pratre gujileo arda arpun reo. Kumbale ke NPP kinong yalam lem ki MLA ni ki wei ki party kilawandra e ki Kyrtong ki Kyrtong bat terwa ha jingalang Henry kam shem lapoy siya kabayo hun lang. Kumta la pensyong nong rem baka party ka babuan ki MLA hiyang dol bar thawan kan yo ya kalad ban sayo Kyrtong bat kumta la rai ban kirshan yu James bala terwa da ka NPP kabadan hadu lai pulai ngut ki MLA kin thop lang yu lampang bat sembut lampang ha ka yeng ban ri phongut ki dekhot. Kumbalong ki wei seng san hima kum ka UDP kabadan khat arngut ki MLA ke HSPDP bat BJP kabadan mar arngut ki MLA nalor arngut ki MLA klem seng ki la rai ban kirshan yu James ha ka nong rem ba unday unong mi khmat jang ka MDA-II hi pro ka wei. Hakani ka jingalang lawan shimbin tado Conrad K. Sangma National President ka NPP bat Menteri Rangba ka jala uba Preston Tinsong simbut Menteri Rangba bat State President ka NPP Meghalaya uba Paul Lingdo MLA ka UDP na West Shillong uba Lakman Rimboy MLA ka UDP na Amlarem uba Dayu Menteri Sarkar uba Sanbol Shulay MLA ka BJP bat Menteri Sarkar uba AL Hek MLA ka BJP na Pinthor Umkhra uba Shakliar Wadri MLA ka HSPDP na Mauthat Rashan uba Methodius Dhar MLA ka HSPDP na Motion Run bat Menteri Sarkar na Lord Kiwei Pat.
As you're aware that we just had an MDA-II parliamentary party meeting where MLAs from all the constituents of the MDA participated, and we had passed certain resolutions. I would hand over to our secretary of the MDA-II, the parliamentary party, Shri Paul Lingdo, to kindly proceed and give the details of the resolutions that were passed today.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, friends from the media and my colleagues in the MDA. Today's meeting centered around one major item, which is the nomination and selection of candidate for the Rajya Sabha seat from the state of Meghalaya. So the resolutions adopted are as follows. Number one, the PP leaders, parliamentary party leaders, representing all constituents of the MDA-II were briefed about the election scheduled to the Rajya Sabha for the state of Meghalaya on June 18, 2026, and the views of the NPP on the matter by both the national and the state president of the NPP. 2. In the course of the discussions, members from the constituent units expressed their various points and indicated their willingness to have their party nominees selected and endorsed as official candidate of the MDA-II. 3. However, since the various parties had proposed various names of individuals belonging to the respective political parties, and there being no point of consensus on a single name, it was decided to follow the established convention of endorsing the proposal put forward by the largest constituent, that is the NPP, in order to ensure cohesion and unanimity on the basis of established parliamentary practice. 3. The meeting therefore unanimously endorsed the NPP's proposal for the candidature of Shri James P.K. Sangma as Rajya Sabha nominee representing the MDA-II. 5. However, respecting the wishes of the various constituent members of the MDA to allow the various parties to take their own call as far as by-elections to the Shillong parliamentary constituency is concerned, it was unanimously agreed that the parties are free to contest / support / stay neutral / stay away from the above by-election. 6. Since there was only one matter for consideration by the meeting today, the Honourable Leader of the Parliamentary Party of the MDA-II, Shri Kyrtong, thanked all members present and concluded the meeting with a formal request to all members to work unitedly to ensure the successful realization of the decisions of today's meeting.
The nomination filing will be on the 5th of this month and at 2:30. So therefore, since we have all the constituents of the MDA here today, as mentioned in the resolution, that different political parties have expressed their desire to have their representative from their party as the nominee for the Rajya Sabha, and detailed discussions took place. That's why we took a lot of time. Detailed discussion took place, but at the end, since we could not come up with a consensus on different desires by different political parties, we came to a consensus, and we have all agreed together that we will go as per the kind of democratic process and allow the largest party's nominee to be backed. And therefore the fact that all the political parties who are present today, as you can see all are present, have formally agreed to that, and therefore the question of the whip coming in any other way does not arise. If the whip does come in, it will come in the language that the particular political parties' MLAs will support the candidature, which is the MDA-II's candidature. And I think what is important to note is that the candidature which we're proposing now is not a political party's candidature, but now this has been adopted as a resolution as the MDA-II's candidate.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Rajya Sabha lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.